Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this ANJANK ANJANK wireless charging station. This is a 5-in-1 multiple charger stand with alarm lock, a 7-night light, a MagSafe charging dock for the iPhone 76 and 15, 14, 13, and so on. And of course, it's good for the Apple Watch 11, 10, 9, 8, and Ultra. And of course, on top, AirPods or other devices with USB-C or Lightning plug or connector. That's good for the bedroom, for example. And it's available in black, or you can get this in white or in pink. The AirPods don't support wireless charging. They need to be plugged in. Lightning or USB-C port are both included for that. We have a multifunctional magnetic wireless charging station, so we can have the benefit of a large digital alarm clock. 7 colors, night light. The iPhone wireless charger is good for, of course, Apple devices, but also available for all other Qi standard rechargeable smartphones on the market. 7-color night light means we can change the color of the night light as we need it. Really cool. Apple Watch and AirPods charger free yourself from the charging cable, save space and organize your desk, bedroom, and the nightstand. It is a both useful and a good looking device. The magnetic wireless charging station is suitable for multiple devices of the Apple products. Compatible with the iPhone family, with the Apple Watches, the iWatch, the AirPods, and so on. The brightness of the LED display is dial controlled and adjustable from 0 up to 100%, dimmable. Or we can all turn off at the both than our sleep. The alarm clock has 3 adjustable volume levels and can engage the people in the deep sleep and the time mode. 12 or 24 hours, AM or PM, for us to choose from. Snooze allows an extra 9 minutes of slumber. The night light has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and purple. Switching the options, and we can turn off the adjust brightness from 10 up to 100%, because it's dimmable. A variety of nightlife colors are options to meet our various scenes needed. It can provide a light for the people who are afraid of the darkness. It's provided soft lighting for people for reading. It's provided ambience lighting for dating and so on. And, Rise design fits your iPhone much better. The case thickness is smaller than 5mm. No need to adjust the angle multiple times. It improves the charging noise and heat issues. It comes with a watch, wireless charging, and it supports 2 types of AirPods with a Lightning and Type-C interfaces. And 18-watt fast charging with the backside cooling holes, with overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, overheating protection, or foreign object protection, which prevent overcharging, damage to the device battery, and ensures a safe and fast charging as well. Wow! ANJANK 5-in-1 wireless charging station, alarm clock, night light, everything included for refined living, of course. And 1 dock brings us 5 essentials. It's made for Apple users, a little station that keeps the life in a line. iPhone 11 to 17 Plus series, iPhone X series, 8 and 8 Plus. All this is space-saving and Apple compatible. And we have an Apple Watch compatibility too. For the Apple Watch 2 up to 11 SE, Ultra 1 up to 3, and so on. And for the AirPods, Lightning AirPods 1, 2, 3, Pro 1, USB-C AirPods 4, Pro 2, Pro 3, and swell. So you see, this here brings us joy for every, of course, Apple user, but also a standard smartphone user, which comes with a wireless reloading process, for example, as well. But the main feature is, of course, for Apple guys out there. This brings us nice and easy operation. And of course, because of the magnetic fields for the watch and for the smartphone, it will not drop anymore from your desktop. Yeah, no prop. We can lift it over, as you can see, no prop for it. It sticks in position. And what's going with the smart watch? Yeah, there is a magnetic lock too available. So we get this upside down too, and you can see the watch is also hang there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!